We'll be doing the 1,000 sub giveaway in this video, so make sure you comment below so you could be entered in to win the UPR billet subframe bushings. I made my best pass I've ever made before. The car tracked extremely high. You gotta check this video out. It's pretty wild. I'm pretty happy. Car's really moving out.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in the staging lanes at ACO. I hit the track rental this morning at ACO. It was an open rental. We had some issues. Someone oiled down the track about 2 o'clock. We didn't get another run until about 4. So now I'm actually staying for the test and tune tonight. Hopefully I'll get the race Dorian with the boosted F-150. My car's been running actually really good today. I made my fastest personal best time. You'll see in this video. And I hope you enjoy watching my videos, and I'm gonna keep it up. Now it's, you know, race season has begun. The winter is finally arriving. Winter's coming, and I'm gonna start racing more. So keep watching, man. Hit that subscribe button. I'm sure you'll enjoy. I know. Now I'm just roasting.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we're going to have a little bit of a cleanup on our hands. So we will let you know when we are back up. We're sending all our manpower out now to take care of it.
I don't know if I should just sit here or turn around. This is annoying. And why the fuck? All of it. And why? And I don't understand why they have all these guys up at the line. Like, it's crazy. Full interior, dirt, and a trunk full of shit.
As for racing boosted F-150, he had some issues. His car wasn't running correctly. I'm pretty sure his tune was pulling timing because it was seeing a false knock reading. So we never got the race off, which it's not a big deal. His car was going like 1070 pretty much the most of the day. My car was going anywhere from 1050 and down. You'll see the video. I want you to see the pass itself and the time slip. So yes, I'm gonna talk shit. I would have blew his doors off yesterday, but we didn't even race the test and tune. Someone oiled down the track like after my first pass, so we really didn't have time to line it up, and then we rolled into like the test and tune at night. I'm sorry, the track rental. Someone blew up and oiled the entire track. So the track cleanup took about 2 hours. So we were kind of limited on the track rental itself. And then the test and tune came at night when a bunch of people and a bunch of other YouTubers came, and we just never got the pass off. I made my best pass about 6:30, and then I came off the track. I went to weigh the car, and I was getting a clunking noise when I was going from park to drive or reverse to drive. And now that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to figure out what the actual issue is. I'm really hoping it's a drive shaft and not the transmission. I would figure the transmission would have threw a code by now. So waiting for the car to cool down a little bit, and we're gonna try to figure out if hopefully it's a drive shaft or maybe the rear end. I really don't want it to be the transmission. That would be a serious setback for me. So as you can hear in my voice, I'm a little more on the serious note. It sucks. Yes, that race didn't get off with boosted up 150. I would have blew his doors off anyway. It wouldn't make a difference. My car was really running yesterday. So we'll get at it another day, but he did go faster as the night went on. I think I left by then. Congratulations to Dorian. I mean, yo, that truck really moves out. We'll get our race one day, hopefully soon. Hopefully this issue that I just ran into isn't actually serious. I don't even know what to do at this point. I'm kind of like boggled. My mind's in like 10 different places. I'm kind of frustrated. I'm really happy about the pass, but I'm not happy because I didn't go as fast as I really would like to go. So now I just got to start picking at what's wrong with the car. I got to get that running right because I have a couple rentals coming up and I want to do some racing. Or I just don't know. I don't know what the solution is. Please comment below.
Staging lane assignments here tonight, guys. Street tire cars go in lanes 9 and 10. Pro mods are in lanes 5 and 6. Slick tire test and 2, pro tree and license runs are in lanes 3 and 4. All no time goes in lane number 2. Motorcycles and quads go at the front of lane number 2. Junior dragsters and junior street. Concessions is open if you are hungry or thirsty and you want to get yourself something to eat or drink. We got hot dogs, hamburgers, and cheeseburgers over there. Chicken finger.
Made 6 passes yesterday. The first pass being at 2 o'clock. I'm 7104. That pass was obviously 1050. Really shitty 60 foot. That's the first time I actually made a pass on those new tires. So maybe I had to break them in a little bit. I really didn't do it. I kind of did a weak burnout. And this was at 450. This was a great pass. You know, I'm still learning the car, even though this is a 67 pass. I made 67 passes already, but I'm working on it. I got to get that 60 foot down, but that 60 foot wasn't terrible. It wasn't great, but it wasn't terrible. And don't mind reaction time. I wasn't racing anyway, heads up like that, so I was just, you know, trying to get the car to launch at 60 foot. Then I made, this pass was, what, 9 minutes later. I like hot lapping for some reason. 60 foot, went up a tad bit. I went 10.4. This was another good pass, 10.3. 60 foot was a 1.692. So I mean, that's really not great. I got to start knocking down the 60 foot. You know, I'm gonna start. I got to start getting some suspension parts and working on the 60 foot because I got some wild mile an hour. And this is my best pass to date with this car, with this setup. That mile an hour though, serious. Oof. That's not good.
I got the car on the lift, trying to figure out what that noise is. And the U-joint doesn't look bad, but it's just too hot to actually go under the... it's too hot to actually put your hand up there at the moment. I don't know what the hell it is. I really hope it's a drive shaft. I have no engine codes, transmission codes, or anything like that, so I think we can rule out the transmission for now, but it's either going to be the rear or the drive shaft. So once the car cools down a little bit, I'll put somebody up there and we'll figure it out. But yeah, this sucks. Oh yeah, and I have a 355, by the way. Put it in like park and drive to see what happens. Once again, thank you for tuning in. I will keep you updated. If you have any suggestions on what's wrong with either something in the driveline, I'm really hoping it's a drive shaft, but only time will tell. We'll find out. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.